If you're looking for estate-style living and love the outdoors, this is the home for you. We're in the sought-after community of Quarry Park, which is steps away from the Bull River. World-renowned fly fishing, enjoy kayaking, canoeing, paddleboarding, or just walks along the river to take in nature. This home was built with a ton of high-end finishings and upgrades. We've got a formal dining area here on the main floor office with custom built-in shelving. Upstairs is a central bonus room that has its own private balcony, 5-piece ensuite, and an amazing exterior entertaining space with an exposed aggregate pad and its own gas fireplace. Come take a look.